In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the "your connection is not private" error in Google Chrome. This problem can be frustrating, but the solution is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then open Security. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Here, find the option called Always Use Secure Connections and turn it off. This setting forces HTTPS on all websites and often causes this error. Now, go back to the website that was blocked. Click the address bar. If the link starts with HTTPS, remove the S so it becomes HTTP, then press Enter. The website should load normally. Once you do this, Chrome usually remembers the site and won't block it again. That's it. This is how you fix the "your connection is not private" error in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few